What's up, guys? It's Charlie Does HVAC again, back with another video, but this time we have a Veto Pro Pac unboxing. Guys, this is the biggest Veto package I've ever gotten. I'm very excited to unpack and see what they got. Make sure you guys stay tuned. Let me know what you guys think of the bags and other items that I got. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. But please make sure you like, subscribe, and comment on this video, guys. Without further ado, I'm very excited. Let's get to it. Guys, I am so excited for this. You just don't know. Oh Lord, I'm missing. You just don't know, guys. Here we go. Alright. First thing we got here, what is this? Look at what we have. Guys, we have the hose hauler. Look at this bad boy. Hose hauler. Alright. Oh my goodness. The Veto MB5B infrared. Oh wow. I think it's nice. And last but not least, we got the Norwalk. Oh yeah, the Norwalk everyday carry bag. Yes, sirree. Oh God. Hose hauler. And all of this. Jesus Christ. Let's open them up. Let's open them. First, I'm gonna open up this Norwalk. Box. Guys, look at this. Oh man. I'm gonna give it a quick tour. Oh look, the side pockets here. Come on. See if you guys can see. These side pockets right here, it zips up. Open this front pouch up right here. It's a flap. Nice. This bag is sick. This front zipper pouch here. Okay. Dude, there's so much storage in this bag. And then let's open up the main compartment. Dude, look how deep this thing goes. This is gonna be perfect for camera equipment, my MacBook, just everyday stuff that I carry. What's the back thing look like? This is where the MacBook's gonna go, right in here. Oh yeah. It's got the strap, nice padding. Guys, this bag is amazing. This bag is amazing. Come back up here. Let's see. Guys, this bag is sick. I want to get this thing embroidered. Charlie Does HVAC here. Right here across the middle. The Charlie Does HVAC logo. I don't know, but I'm thinking about it. This is sick, guys. Alright, let's open up the next ones. Alright, next we're gonna do this infrared right here. The MB5B infrared. Oh my Lord. I might keep this one. So I was planning on giving this one away to my dad. My dad has played a very big role in my life and my YouTube journey, my Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, all of my social media journey. And I was gonna surprise him with this as a gift because he said he really liked my Tech MCTP, the infrared one. So I was like, I'm gonna give him this infrared, the MB5B, but I don't know, I just might keep this one. Pops might have to wait. Not gonna lie, but look how sick this thing is. Let's get into this one. Alright, so first we got a front pouch here with a zipper. It's pretty deep too, it goes all the way down. Then we got a mini pouch here. It's also kind of deep. I'm going to open this side up. Oh wow. It's got the V-swap technology in it as well. Look down. It's got these V-swap technology pouches here. It's very open. I like the space in it. It's got side pockets here all on the side. These mini pouches. This is sick. With the door holder, that's what I called it. All right, zip this back up. Got 1 meter pouch here. I think you can take this out as well. Yeah, you can. It slides out. But we got 1 meter pouch here with something you can put like your electrical tape on and stuff like that. With a, I don't even know what to call it, but a metal plate here where you can put your tape measure and drill and stuff on. Oh, there's a pocket. And another little pocket for little miscellaneous stuff here. On the other side we have the same thing with the iconic bottle opener, the V-swap tool panel system, 5-year warranty. Same pouch here, same meter pouch here on this side. Alright, and then we've got the iconic hook. Every Veto bag just about comes with this hook. But this one, what I like about the MB5B is the bag straps. You can remove these. These are completely removable. So you can take these off just like this. And then you slide them out. You go down. If I can get this one. Alright, now, so I took the backpack straps off and made this just a carrying bag. Let's see what's in this back pouch. The back pouch is just an open pouch. It's pretty deep. I just might keep this bag, guys. I really like it. I really thought it was going to be bigger. I thought the MB5B was like a big bag, but it's really not. And let's open the last bag. Let's open up the hose hauler, guys. It just started raining, but that's not going to stop this unboxing. I open this hose hauler up. Just like this. Here she is. And I really thought this was huge too. Just based off of pictures and videos I've seen. Wow. Yeah, buddy. I'm about to be so organized with my stuff now. So, let's get into this one. Got a big zipper pocket here. Oh, it's Velcro to separate. Big pocket here. Pouch here. We open up. It's like this. Put micron gauges, T's, stuff like that, and then obviously your hoses go here. So this is great. Front of here we got a pouch. I don't know if I mentioned that already. But yeah, dude, these bags are sick. Big shout out to Veto, guys, for these incredible bags, guys. There's 3 of them that I love. I cannot wait to use them. I'm gonna be loading out each and every one of them, and each and every bag is gonna have its own loadout video. So make sure you guys hit the subscribe button right there. Hit that subscribe button, like this video, comment on this video, tell me what else you guys want to see. But until next time, Charlie out. Peace.